Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I will teach you the remaining part of our exercise of lesson 3, Who Did Patrick's Homework. We will start from book page 30. Here I will teach you about the simple present tense. Students, you can see some pictures in following. Here some examples are given about simple present tense. Simple present tense is used when an action is happening right now or regularly. We can recognize it by its verb or helping verbs. In simple sentence, we can identify this sentence by first form of the verb or the verbs which have addition of s or es with it. So in simple present tense we only add s or es with the verbs used with he, she, it and singular noun. Means the sentence which start from the subject he, she, it or singular noun, we add s or es with its verb. And in making negative sentence we use do or does as a helping verb. We use does not with the subjects he, she, it and singular noun, and we use do with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Here some examples are given. For example, he goes to school every morning. He is a third person or singular noun. We will add es with its verb. Simple verb is go. First form of verb is go. Second is went and third is gone. So we will use first form of verb go and add es with its. In next example, she drives her car carefully. She is a singular noun or third person, so we will add es with its verb. She drives her car carefully. I love my cat. Students, I is also a singular noun, but we cannot add s or es with its verb. Some other examples are given below. You can you can see it. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. She waters plant. I watch television. These are the examples of positive form of simple present tense. Negative forms: he does not play cricket. We will use does not with the subject he, she, it and a singular noun, and we will use do not with I, we, they, you and plural nouns. On the basis of this information, we will solve the exercise on book page 31. The B part of this exercise is complete the following sentences using the correct form of verb. The first blank is they dash make or makes a lot of noise. Students, they is a plural noun, so you will use simple first form of verb. We will not make any addition with it, so you will write make a lot of noise. And second, he dash work or works in an office. He is a third person, so we will add s or es with its verb. You will write works. You will tick on works. He works in an office. The third one is my father dash read or reads the newspaper every day. You will tick on reads. My father reads the newspaper every day. In fourth, I dash drink or drinks milk for breakfast. Students, you will tick on drink. I drink milk for breakfast. Move on next. We dash sleep or sleeps by 9 p.m. We sleep. We is a plural noun, so we will not make any addition with its verb. We sleep by 9 p.m. In 6.1, you dash come or comes to class late every day. You will tick on come. You come to class late every day. In 7th blank, she dash shop or shops at the market. So she is a third person, so we will add s or es with its verb. She shops. You will tick on shops. She shops at the market. 8th, my mother dash cook or cooks delicious meals. My mother cooks. Mother is a singular noun, so we will add s or es with its verb. My mother cooks delicious meals. Students, the C part of this exercise, the C part of question of this exercise is complete the following sentences using either do or does. Students, you will choose do or does as a helping verb for making simple present tense. We will use do with I, with the subject I, you, they, we and plural nouns. So let's start. In first blank, he dash do or does not eat breakfast at 9 a.m. So focus on your mind. Think about it, what you will be use along with E as a subject. Students, you know that he is a third person and it is also a singular noun. So we will use does as a helping verb with the subject. He does not eat breakfast at 9 a.m. Move on second sentence. They dash do or does not get up at 7 o'clock. You know this, they is a plural noun. So we will use do as a helping verb with the subject. They do not get up at 7 o'clock. Amna. Amna is a name. This shows that it is a singular noun. So we will use does as a helping verb with it. Amna does not like to eat fish and chips. The fourth blank is